SMX is trending up 35.11%. This is Friday, the 2nd of January 2025. The stock is drawing intense attention following a period of extreme volatility, including a sharp pullback from recent highs of around $388.11, fueling heated debates across trading communities. The spike in activity coincides with news that the company is expanding its blockchain technology into luxury and fashion traceability, a move that could position the company as a disruptor in high value supply chains where provenance, authentication, and anti counterfeiting solutions are increasingly critical. Adding to the market charter, um, the company recently filed a prospectus with the SEC for the resale of up to 13 million ordinary shares by selling stockholders. This has intensified the divide among investors, while some see this as a strategic step for liquidity and broader market adoption. Others worry about potential share dilution and the impact on the stock's already volatile price. Community sentiment is sharply polarized. Bulls are emphasizing the company's disruptive blockchain tech, low float, and the potential for a short squeeze, pointing to the high cost to borrow. High cost to borrow shares as evidence that shorts may be trapped. They argue that even amidst pullbacks, the company's long-term upside or the stock's long-term upside could be substantial if adoption in luxury and fashion markets scales as anticipated. Meanwhile, skeptics highlight the stock's history of reverse splits and dilution, cautioning that volatility could continue and that recent filings might weigh on the stock if selling stockholders offload shares aggressively. The tension between these opposing narratives has created a high octane environment for traders, combining elements of momentum speculation, tech driven hype, and structural market risk. All in all, the company has become a focal point where innovation meets risk, and its future trajectory will likely hinge on how the market interprets the interplay between its real world tech adoption and capital structure developments. Okay, yes, indeed, it is technically or effectively, or rather, effectively, it is a low float. Going by this volume we have here over the last 50 trading sessions, you can see volatility here 733, also quite a high beta stock as well. Yeah, this is that recent high of 386.93 dollars. Okay, yeah, the stock has been contracting all of that expansion, and for some reason, the algo seems to be suggesting that it might not hold the strength it has today. It's saying that they might give it up and maybe attempt to resume strongly from Monday the 5th of January. Okay, we'll see if that will be the case. Okay, but momentum, yes. Okay, momentum seems to be suggesting the algos on its 10 period moving average seems to be suggesting the same thing as well. He's saying that it may reattempt to bounce from Monday the 5th. Okay, so this is based on its order books. This is based on its order books. Based on how momentum has been going on there. This is how it's extrapolated. Okay, as things stand right now, we have projections of 37.1. It's currently trading at 21.96, so we have 37.1, and indeed some really bearish downward projections on this 4-hour chart. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart. It's not active at the moment, but let's see if it's indicating anything positive. Not really. No, it's indicating lower prices, but we're not really going to take a lot of we're not going to read a lot of meaning into that at the moment. Here on the daily chart, the projections are a lot more ambitious. We have 117, really ambitious, 117.4, and as high as 225.58. Yeah, okay. Volatility is still expected in the coming days. Yeah, the stock has that history, but with this 13 million shares being offloaded into the market, I wonder how it's going to affect the dynamics of everything on the stock. So currently up 34.19%. Let's see how it all pans out. Okay. On that 4 hour chart, it's not the algos, the extrapolation is not ambitious at all. It's actually saying, as you saw, yeah, weakness. That is also what we are looking at right now. It's saying that it might there might be it may have had a rejection. Let's see now. It seems it has had a rejection, and it's saying that it might remain in place, or it might even progress up till Monday's trading session. It seems, yeah. Okay, we can't see it here. Okay, on the New Year's Eve, it printed an intraday low of 14.83. So in this pre-market session, it seems it has had a rejection somewhere, and yeah, the algos, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it's going to weaken and then maybe attempt to bounce again by Monday. Okay, here as well, but what we can clearly see here is momentum is expected to pick up from here. It's saying it might pick up from today. As a matter of fact, from today, it might pick up momentum. And on the 4 hour chart, it's, I think, also, if not today, it might be from Monday. But in the very short term, it's indicating that further weakness is what we should expect. Yeah. Or rather, a rejection is what we should expect. And then after that, it might display a stronger bounce, okay, going all the way towards the 6th of January. But let's see how all of this will pan out. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.